Jocelyn Corona was born in Mexico on December 22, 1997, Mexican plus-size model who made a name for herself by walking in Chromat's FW15 runway show after just 6 months in the modeling industry. In 2015, she challenged body standards by starring in Simply Be's Every Body is a Beach Body campaign. She has taken Instagram photos with fellow plus-size model Ashley Graham. She started modeling in 2016. She is one of the successful model. She has ranked on the list of those famous people who were born on December 22, 1997. She is one of the richest model who was born in Mexico. She also has a position among the list of most popular model. Jocelyn Corona is one of the famous people in our database with the age of 21 years old. According to Wikipedia, Forbes, IMDb and various online resources, famous model Jocelyn Corona's net worth is $1 to $5 million at the age of 21 years old. She earned the money being a professional model. Jocelyn Corona keeps his personal and love life private.